Naruto. You've grown.
Naruto.
Iruka Sensei.
I heard about Lord Jiraiya.
I wanted to keep him watching over me. Wanted him to see me become Hokage. But I only ended up showing Pervy Sage the worst, most uncool side of me.
Lord Jiraiya never had anything but praise for you. He was always bragging about you, saying you were like his own grandchild. He had faith that you were the one who would inherit his will. He truly believed that you would become a wonderful Hokage one day.
Pervy Sage.
I believe Lord Jiraiya is still watching over you, even this very minute, from somewhere. He wouldn't be happy seeing you so blue. So, just go back to being the you that he praised. Cheer up. For you are a genius student, acknowledged as such by Lord Jiraiya of the Sannin himself.
I suppose you're right. Moping around isn't like me. If Pervy Sage himself said I can become Hokage, he'd chew me out for wasting time here like this. So, I'm gonna move forward. No more moping around. I'm gonna be myself and keep going. And I'll never give up. I'm Pervy Sage's student after all.
Now that's the Naruto Uzumaki I know.
Yeah. Thanks, Iruka Sensei.